Exploring types of modular construction. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Watch as we share an overview of modular construction methods, including off-site prefabrication, unitized preglazed, and volumetric modular construction.
As far as definitions, when we talk about typical conventional construction, we're talking about stick construction. Now, with stick construction, you can see from this picture, you've got a curtain wall that's being installed component by component. Here are the verticals here and some horizontals are being installed, but you can see the building's still open. The verticals and horizontals here, but it's still open. It's not dried in. So the curtain wall is being installed one piece at a time. So that's your typical conventional construction, going piece by piece, component by component. Now, kind of the next step of that is going into what we call prefabrication or assembling in modules. So you can see in this curtain wall, instead of all the pieces being built piece by piece, we've got 4 columns pre-assembled together as a unit, and that's being raised up and set on the building. So if you think about all the labor here in the field, putting all these pieces together piece by piece, in this application, all that labor is already embedded in this elevation, and it was done off-site in the subcontractor's shop. So the labor moved from the field in this application to the shop in this application, and it's bringing pre-assembled modules out to the field. So the next definition is unitized. And unitized is taking pre-assembly a step further. So instead of just stopping with assembled modules, with unitized construction, you're glazing them. You can see in the picture on the right there, there's glass and panels installed in the modules. So with unitized, we're taking a step further to fully enclose the building envelope into individual modules, and those are brought out one at a time and stacked together at the project site. Now, the next definition is what we call volumetric or modular construction. So that's taking the concept of building modules even a step further, and instead of just having the building envelope, we're pre-assembling and pre-building sections of the building. So the whole building sections are being brought out, raised up, and set one by one, kind of like stacking Lego blocks together. So it's not just the building envelope, but it's the section of the building behind it being brought out as one complete unit. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.